Hey, I'm Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. Today we're working on shoulder strength and mobility with a Pilates workout to help you move with more control and stability. Together, we'll strengthen our shoulders on the mat. Welcome to achievable and sustainable fitness. Let's get started. Let's begin standing on the edge of the mat. My arms are at my side. I'm going to inhale and shrug my shoulders up to my ears. Exhale, bring them back down. Let's go for a count of 5. As the shoulders come up, feel all the muscles in the upper neck. And as they come down, feel the muscles in the back, around the armpits. Keep the shoulders on the same vertical plane. Imagine they're in between 2 panes of glass. Let's go 2 more. And all the while, stay nice and tight in the core. Nothing moves but the shoulders. And now bring them perpendicular to the body. Arms are straight. Palms are facing each other. Exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Inhale, pull them apart. Keep the arms perpendicular. Let's go for 5. Palms facing inward, arms nice and straight. As you squeeze your shoulder blades together, careful not to arch your back. And in contrast, as you pull the shoulder blades apart, don't round your back. Let's go 1 more set. And come to a nice neutral resting place. We're going to inhale, bring the arms up overhead, rotate the palms so they face forward. And exhale, bring them back down, rotating the palms to face in towards the body. We're going to go for 5. As the arms come up, don't overarch the back. Feel all the muscles in the shoulder, the lats. Keeping those shoulders in place, feeling the muscles rotating up as the arms come up. We're going to go for 2 more of these, and then as the arms come down, we're going to drop the head and go into a roll down, moving into a modified Pilates push-up, which I'm going to turn into a shoulder press. Here's the last one. Inhaling up, exhale, arms come down, let the head slowly drop down, and the upper spine drop down, the arms are hanging. I'm going to bend my knees as much as I need to so that my palms touch the mat. Inhale to prepare, exhale, take 3 steps out. Hands are the width of the mat. I'm keeping the knees bent and I'm staying in a piked position. So I'm not going into a full front support. And from here, we'll perform 5 presses, keeping the butt nice and high in the air to put the load on the shoulders. We'll inhale on the way down, press, exhale all the way up. 2 more. Hands are fully contacting the mat. Here's the last one. And then we'll walk the hands back. Roll up to standing. And do it 2 more times. Here we go. Inhale to prepare. Exhale. Drop the head, drop the upper spine. And once flexibility fails, we'll bend the knees so that the hands touch the mat. Inhale and exhale, walk out. Hands are the width of the mat. Nice piked position. Inhale down. Exhale up for 4 more. Keep the spine long. Imagine the hips are being lightly pulled up. Here's the last one. And walk back. Slowly roll up. Great job. Last set of 5. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Hands on the mat. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, walk out with 3 steps. Inhale down, exhale up, butt stays high. All parts of the finger and palm are contacting the mat evenly. My shoulders are going out at about 45 degrees, so they're not tucked in. They're not flaring out too wide. 2 more. On this last one, stay down. Now keep the hands where they are. Straighten the legs. And we'll come into a front support position, like a sphinx. My lats are tight, my back is tight, my shoulders are strong. Don't fall in between your shoulders. I'm pulling up my belly away from the mat. I have a little flex in my quad. Toes are slightly pointed. So everything's still, everything's strong. I'm gonna really flex the right side and extend the left arm straight and bring it back. Ooh, that's hard. And now let's switch. Left is strong, the right slides out. Let's bring it back. Let's keep going. 5 on each side. Pull the belly up and away from the mat. I know the back can't help but arch a little bit, but try not to extend it too much in this position. We're doing our best to keep a nice neutral spine, pulling the belly up. Maybe almost giving the sensation of a slight tuck in the tailbone as well. Good job. Everything stays as still as possible. The quads are still flexed. Here's our last set. Nice strong shoulder. Stop that right arm where it is, extended. Let's bring it up for 5. Good. Let's keep breathing. Nice steady breath. 3, 4. Nice strong arm. Good. Bring it back. Extend the left arm. Up for 5. Real tight in the right side. Feel the back, the arm, keeping the body still. Here's the last one. Good, bring it in. Let's go again. Right arm out, reach it long, up for 5. Nice steady breath. Bring it in, last one. Pull that belly up. Last one, strong shoulders. Bring it in. Flare out your elbows, fingertips touching, and rest your head on top of your hands. We're gonna move into a back extension series. For this next movement, I want you to imagine there's a string on your elbow, and it's lifting them up as your head and upper chest peel up off the mat. Here we go. You can inhale on the way up or exhale on the way up, but imagine the string pulling up on your elbows as the head and upper chest lift up off the mat and come back down. Let's go for 5. Toes are lightly pointed, little flex in the quads, tight in the midsection, pulling in on the belly. Here's the last one. And come down and rest. Now we're going to bring our arms out into goalposts. Same motion. Think of leading with the elbows. We're squeezing the shoulder blades together as we lift the head and upper chest up off the mat. Not using our hips to leverage into the mat, but just the strength of the shoulders and back, lifting the upper body. Here we go. I'm going to inhale to prepare. I'm going to exhale, lead with the elbows, lift the head and chest, and inhale back down. Let's go again for 5. Reach long with the head, leading with the elbows, pulling the abdomen away from the mat. Here's 2 more. Nice long spine. Good, come on down. Now let's bring the arms down along the side of the body, palms facing the mat. We're going to go into extension, and then we're going to do 20 repetitions of this nice rear delt, rear shoulder exercise. Here we go. Inhale to prepare. Let's exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades, lift the chest up. And now 20 reps from here. Let's keep a nice steady breath. 2, 3, arms are long. Keep pumping. Still pulling in the belly. Not leveraging with the hips. Slight point in the toe. Here we go, here's our last 5. Good, bring it all down. And bring the arms or the hands right underneath the shoulders. Tuck the toes. We're gonna move into front support. Let's press up. Leg pull front, this is how we're gonna finish. Flex the quads, left leg nice and straight, isolating the glute, lift it up with the inhale. Exhale it down, right leg, nice and straight, inhale it up. Exhale down, 5 on each side. Pull the belly up, nice strong shoulders. Here's that stability. Arms are straight, all parts of the hand contacting the mat evenly. Midsection's tight. Shoulders are in a good place. I'm not falling in between my shoulders. I'm not rounding out the back. I'm not extending the lower back. One more on each side. Lift it up nice and straight. Reach it long. Last one. Reach it long. Good. Drop the knees. Let's come back into child pose. Really focus on stretching out the shoulders, the upper back. Whatever positioning works best. And now let's walk the right hand over to the left side of the mat for a deeper stretch on the right side, focusing on the outside of the right shoulder. This will be the final portion of our workout. The Amazon affiliate links for all of my equipment are in the description. If you click on them and make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Gently release that and walk both hands over to the right side of the mat. I hope that you can enjoy the benefits of this workout for the rest of your day. Please subscribe to this channel and help it to grow by sharing it. Hit the thumbs up button. I'll leave you with my full Pilates playlist. Find the workout that's right for you. I'll see you there.